Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can redeem your Roblox gift card codes. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So to redeem your gift card on Roblox, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser and type in the URL www.roblox.com/redeem. After doing this, you will end up in the official website of Roblox where you need to log in into your account. So once you have logged in into your account by typing in your username, email or phone number and your password, you will have to now enter your PIN code or your PIN number in the code box provided. So once you tap on it, you need to type it in and tap on click redeem. After doing this, a success message will appear when the credit is added to your account. So by doing all these steps, you can simply redeem your gift code or gift card code in your Roblox account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.